Hi, I'm John Batcher from Cleaning World. Going to talk a little bit about office cleaning today and how Cleaning World can take care of your office. One of the things that we strive for is consistency, which is usually the biggest complaint with any kind of office cleaning. The one thing I can always promise everybody is that we're very, very responsive. Whenever you need anything, we're always there. You just call the office and they'll take care of you. They'll relay a message to Greg or Andres. Usually you'll have their cell phone, so if you ever need anything, you just give them a call. We've developed some great teams that we're super proud of that do our office cleaning. And they've been with us for a long time. We've just got some really, really good people that we're super proud of. And as far as our equipment, we made a decision a long time ago that we're only going to use the best stuff. We have our dispenser that's full of all these chemicals. Our people just come, fill everything up. We have a washer dryer over there. We want to be a small part of your success. And we feel that as a business, your employees will be very appreciative that your building is clean.